is up, guys? Link's Logic, and today I will be doing my first ever Bunt Pack opening on my other channel, which is Link's Logic, which I'm doing it right now on. I just did one on my other account, which is Ryan Sanford. I hope he knows which one it is. Alright, so I will be doing a blaster box opening. So I'll be... Okay. So we're gonna get a pack of, a blaster box. Yeah, this is gonna be a pack. Alright. We are looking for this one certain card for 10,000 coins, and I really need it. So, let's get it going. I try to have these in every week. So, just leave a like on the video if you want to see them every week. If not, then I'll just do it on my own. And I don't live in Toronto, if you're wondering. If a team pops up, I'll show you where. Got him. Alright, I live in Philadelphia. The worst team ever in Philadelphia history. Ooh, finally. Oh, I need to pull Jose Batista on here. 2 in a row. Meaning in Toronto, guys. Why the hell would he do this? Well, I haven't seen that person. Who the hell is that? I don't need him. Don't need you though. He's out for the whole season. Alright, I didn't get the card I wanted. Just pissed off at it. Now it's just equipment. Oh god, we got equipment! Woo! Alright. I will be live streaming later. I'll show you that in a sec. Got a lot of people. Instead of looking at them, I have 1,257 cards. Who the hell? I get all these players. For him? Okay. Okay, whatever. That's weird. I'll take the cards. I don't care about that person. Alright. Yeah, I'm streaming later. I don't know what time, but I will. This is my Twitch name up in the top left corner. I will be streaming later. Type in the chat if you watched the video or not, and tell me if it was good or not. Alright, drop a like on this video. I will be leaving my other YouTube channel on here. In the link wise. Make sure you go check out that pack opening. There's 2 on that channel. How's the upload yet? Alright, so I must upload it. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.